When the knock sensor in a vehicle malfunctions, the driver may experience various symptoms such as decreased engine performance, unusual engine noises resembling knocking or pinging, and an illuminated check engine light on the dashboard. In more severe cases, the vehicle may exhibit rough idling or stalling, increased fuel consumption, and potential damage to engine components if the issue goes unchecked. Addressing a bad knock sensor promptly is crucial to prevent further engine damage and ensure the vehicle runs smoothly, highlighting the importance of regular maintenance checks. Drivers should not ignore any warning signs. Taking action when symptoms arise can save money on costly repairs and keep the engine healthy. Replacing a faulty knock sensor is a straightforward process for a qualified mechanic, often involving just a few steps, yet it can significantly improve the vehicle's performance and longevity. Once the knock sensor is replaced, drivers can expect improved engine efficiency, reduced emissions, and a quieter ride, bringing back the joy of driving. Regular checks and timely repairs not only enhance the driving experience, but also ensure the vehicle remains reliable and safe for years to come.